Mabuhay! My name is Etna Jaram Solomon Arpasis, and I will be your tour guide for today's tour. Today, we will go to one of the largest islands in the province of Romblon, which is the Sibuyan Island, in which you can travel via airplane or ferry. Now that we have arrived at Sibuyan Island, we will now go to one of the best tourist spots, which is the island of Cresta de Gallo. Cresta de Gallo is a small picturesque island located off the southeastern coast of Sibuyan Island in the province of Romblon, Philippines. It is known for its pristine natural beauty and is considered one of the hidden gems of the country. Did you know that the name Cresta de Gallo came from a Spanish phrase that literally means rooster's comb or crest because of its uniqueness that resembles a rooster's comb with a long white sandbar extending into the turquoise waters. Here are some of the activities that you can do while you're in Cresta de Gallo. First is swimming and snorkeling. The shallow clear waters are ideal for swimming, while the coral reefs offer great snorkeling opportunities. Second is beach camping. Although there are no accommodations on the island, it is a popular spot for adventurous campers. Lastly is photography. The island's dramatic landscapes, especially during sunrise and sunset, make it a favorite among photographers. Visitors are encouraged to practice responsible tourism to help preserve its natural beauty because the island is not yet heavily developed. Here are some of the highlights of the island of Cresta de Gallo. Firstly, it's a secluded paradise that is relatively less developed, with the peaceful sound of the waves surrounding the island and the beautiful view of the sky and the sea. Along with its white sand, the island is perfect for those looking to disconnect from the hassle of modern life. Second, its unspoiled beaches on the island. It's famous because of its powdery white sand and turquoise waters, ideal for sunbathing, swimming, or beach camping. Third, snorkeling and marine life. The surrounding waters are rich in marine biodiversity, making it a great spot for snorkeling and underwater explorations. Next is day trips, where most visitors access Cresta de Gallo through a boat ride from Sibuyan Island, often part of a day trip. And lastly, camping experience, which travelers will love due to how the island offers a unique camping experience under the stars, as there are no permanent accommodations available. To reach Cresta de Gallo, first, you need to travel to Sibuyan Island via Romblon or Tablas Island by ferry or flight. Next stop is from Sibuyan. Hire a boat from the town of San Fernando or Azagra. The boat ride to Cresta de Gallo takes about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the sea conditions. One tip: if you want to travel to Cresta de Gallo, the best weather to go there is the dry season, which is November to May. With the beauty of Cresta de Gallo, this island should definitely be on your bucket list for vacations, as you won't regret traveling here. And that is all for our tour for today. I hope you all had a great time traveling the island of Cresta de Gallo. Hope to travel with you again. Goodbye.